Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. How are you? And welcome to this series of videos in which we are showing you how you can use Microsoft Excel worksheet to make a dashboard for you that will keep a track that will help you keep a track of your missed salat. Sometimes, especially when you have years of salats pending and you want some mechanism to keep a record of it, that how much have you prayed, how much are balanced, so that on daily basis when you are doing it. So one day in the dashboard will tell you that all your pending backlog of your missed salats, the qada salats, is finished. So that's a healthy sign, and this is very useful way that we use it Microsoft Excel worksheet system which we have offered it to you. And this video focuses on two problems, or which is called forgetfulness, right? It has two aspects of forgetfulness. One is that you forget that how many salats have you uh, performed and how to remind it. So the worksheet will keep a record. So you don't have to remember. All you need to do is just keep on entering. So one aspect is covered by just using this automation of Microsoft Excel. So it will keep a record for you. It is as if you have appointed an assistant who is doing the bookkeeping for you, and anytime you can ask that how many is left. So this is fine. Okay. Another aspect of the forgetfulness is that within the salah, while you are reciting the salah, you forget that which salah am I in? Am I or have I performed Fajr or Zuhur? Have I performed Zuhur or Asr or Maghrib? So which salah I have covered and which I have not covered. So especially in the age, in the old age, as I am in like 60 plus, the problem gets complex, and the forgetfulness keeps you keeps making problem for you, and often you have to abandon the salah and redo it and do the sajda suhu sahab, etc. And then you are actually investing more time, uh, additional time to cover up all your qada salah, right? So to avoid this, I have come up with an idea which was given by God. It was gifted, it is God gifted idea to me, and so I am sharing it to my viewers. That what I do, that uh, I I assign certain surah, like Suratul Naba, Amma Yatasaalun. So this is a nice way. So this will remind you that which surah. You know that if you are reciting Amma Yatasaalun, it means you are you are performing Fajr. Amma Yatasaalun Anin Nabai Lazim Alladhi Hum Fihi Mukhtalifun. So this is the surah which one. This is the one surah which will be good enough for you to cover all five salats of the day out of six. The six is the witr. For witr, my way is that I recite in the first rakah. We do the three rakah of witr, in which in first rakah I recite إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح. In the second rakah I recite تبت يدا أبي لهب. In the third rakah before kunut we recite what? And the قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد. So this is the way. So and it has time-tested fruits. I will discuss it sometime with you, that why I have chosen these three and why the people like me are doing it. So there are. This is a mujarrab amal. We say mujarrab means it works. It works a lot. It has blessings attached with it. What blessings? We will discuss sometime later. But here we are discussing that you can split this Surah An-Naba, Amma Yatasaalun, if you have memorized it. So you can use this surah to cover all your first qada salats of the entire day. So when you are reciting Amma Yatasaalun An-Naba Al-Azim Alladhi Hum Fihi Mukhtalifun Kalla Sayalamun Thumma Kalla Sayalamun, it means you are in the first rakah of Fajr. In the second rakah you recite Alam Naj'al al-Arda Mihada wal Jibala Awtada wa khalaqnakum azwaja. That's fine. Three ayats is fine. And then so your Fajr is completed. In the Zuhur, you start وَجَعَلْنَا نَوْمَكُمْ سُبَاتًا وَجَعَلْنَا اللَّيْلَ لِبَاسًا وَجَعَلْنَا النَّهَارَ مَعَاشًا. This is the first. In the second rakah, you say وَبَنَيْنَا فَوْقَكُمْ سَبْعًا شِدَادًا وَجَعَلْنَا سِرَاجًا وَهَاجًا وَأَنزَلْنَا مِنَ الْمُعْصِرَاتِ مَاءً ثَجَّاجًا. So this is the the first two rakats of Zuhur, and then you have to offer four rakats. So you recite only two rakats with the surah, and then you complete your four rakats without reciting. In the later two rakat, you don't recite anything after Surah Al-Fatiha, and you go to the ruku, right? So this is Zuhur. In the Asr, you say لنخرج به حبا ونباتا وجنات ألفا. Well, you can start from here. وأنزلنا من المعصرات ماء ثجاجا لنخرج به حبا ونباتا وجنات ألفا فإن يوم الفصل كان ميقاتا. That's it. This is first of Asr. And the second, you say يوم ينفخ في الصور فتأتون أفواجا وفتحت السماء فكانت أبوابا وسيرت الجبال فكانت سرابا. That's it. So you have completed the recitation until the Asr. And for the Maghrib, of course, you have the 3 rakats in which the first 2 rakats you will recite. In the first rakat, you say إن جهنم كانت مرصادا للطاغين مآبا لابسين فيها أحقابا لا يذوقون فيها بردا ولا شرابا إلا حميما وغساقا جزاء وفاقا. That's it. In the second rakah of the Maghrib, you say إنهم كانوا لا يرجون حسابا وكذبوا بآياتنا كذابا وكل شيء أحصيناه كتابا فذوقوا فلن نزيدكم إلا عذابا. That's it. So that's all you need to recite until the Maghrib. In the Isha, you will devote these. You will recite this. إن للمتقين مفازا حدائق معنابا وكواعب أترابا وكأسا دهاقا لا يسمعون فيها لغوا ولا كذابا جزاء من ربك عطاء حسابا رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهم الرحمن لا يملكون منه خطابا يوم يقوم الروح والملائكة صفا لا يتكلمون إلا من أذن له الرحمن وقال سبابا. That's it. In the second rak'ah of the Isha, you will say ذلك اليوم الحق فمن شاء اتخذ إلى ربه مآبا إنا أنذرناكم عذابا قريبا يوم ينظر المرء ما قدمت يداه ويقول الكافر يا ليتني كنت ترابا. And you say Allah Akbar. And this way you have completed all the faraids, the fards of all the 5 salah, and then you will repeat. You will restart from Amma Yatasaalun. When you are reciting Amma Yatasaalun, it means you are in the Fajr. Right? So this way you will have a automated system of reminding you. You will never forget. The problem of forgetfulness will be addressed through this wonderful recitation of assigning of this recitation to all your salah. And that is Suratul Naba. So I have been benefit with all this this way of this. So otherwise I have been very forgetful. I had to repeat the salat and do the sajda stuff again and again. Ever since I have used this way, so that benefited me. I have checked it with my ulama and they appreciated it. They said that's fine. It's a good way of which you are doing it. Okay, so why not I share it with my viewers who are you never know who tries it and he gets benefited. So it's good for me. So, so let's get back to our VBA program, and we have been doing this. Yeah. So 469 was there. Now, before we come to Excel, we copy our previous one so that our previous version is remain intact, and we make it 70. This 470 lessons files have been shared in my channel. Okay, so this is the latest one, and we open it. So while it is opening, let me talk about the forgetfulness. A forgetfulness, as it is shown in here, I show you about the definition of forgetfulness, is a natural human trait as Islam recognizes it. And while it's often unavoidable, there are ways to mitigate its effects and strengthen the memory. Practices like regular recitation of Quran, regular recitation of Quran. It is a way of addressing this issue. It strengthens your memory. The practices like regular recitation of Quran and keeping away from sin, and seeking organizational skills can help. So it's also important to be aware that neglecting the Quran or intentionally forgetting it is considered a sin by some scholars. And so you can refer to the Surah Al-Taha in the end of Surah Al-Taha. It is there is a verse which tells that a man would while getting on the day of the resurrection, he say that where are my eyes? So he would complain. لما حشرتني أعمى وقد كنت بصيرا. He would say that, oh Allah, why have you make me get up from my grave with no eyes? I had the eyes while I was in the world. So the answer will be given to him that Allah gave you the ayat. Allah gave you the true indications of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which you forgot. Nasita. Nasitaha means you forgot what you forgot the indications of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which were given to you. That is Quran. The Quran was given to you, you were given, you were blessed with the Quran and you forgot it. كذلك اليوم تنسى. So you forgot. So we have also forgotten you. So forgetting, intentionally forgetting is a sin, no doubt, right? So let's get back to the Excel, and in here you enable it. So it makes sure that until yesterday you have all these performed since you have done the Toba. Now you double click anywhere. And double click means within a cell. Double click. So it will take you to here. So on yesterday was 29. So let's enter that we have performed 5 days Salah for yesterday. Right. So it has updated all the figures, and 7449 days are remaining, so that once they are done, so this gray bar will be removed from here, and you will be at par. Okay, thank you very much for watching.
لوح بھی تو قلم بھی تو تیرا وجود الکتاب گنبد آبگین رنگ تیرے محیط میں حباب لوح بھی تو قلم بھی تو تیرا وجود الکتاب گنبد آبگین رنگ تیرے محیط میں حباب عالم آب و خاک میں تیرے ظہور سے فروغ ذرہ ریگ کو دیا تو نے طلوع آفتاب لوح بھی تو قلم بھی تو تیرا وجود الکتاب گنبد آبگین رنگ تیرے محیط میں حباب ذرہ ریگ کو دیا تو نے طلوع آفتاب شوکت سنجر و سلیم تیرے جلال کی نمود فقر جنید و بایزید تیرا جمال بے نقاب شوکت سنجر و سلیم تیرے جلال کی نمود فقر جنید و بایزید تیرا جمال بے نقاب لوح بھی تو قلم بھی تو تیرا وجود الکتاب گنبد آبگین رنگ تیرے محیط میں حباب شوق تیرا اگر نہ ہو میری نماز کا امام میرا قیام بھی حجاب میرا سجود بھی حجاب شوق تیرا اگر نہ ہو میری نماز کا امام میرا قیام بھی حجاب میرا سجود بھی حجاب تیری نگاہ ناز سے دونوں مراد پا گئے عقل و غیاب و جستجو عشق حضور اضطراب تیری نگاہ ناز سے دونوں مراد پا گئے عقل و غیاب و جستجو عشق حضور اضطراب لوح بھی تو قلم بھی تو